Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk a lot about all different kinds of things about swimming pools, and more specifically about fiberglass swimming pools. And one of the things that people commonly ask about when looking at the process of installing a fiberglass pool has to do with filling the pool full of water. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to answer the question, how much does it cost to fill your fiberglass pool full of water? So let's dive in. Okay, so we've already talked about the 6-step installation process for installing a fiberglass pool and how during that process you fill the pool full of water at the same time that you're backfilling around the pool shell. And the reason that we simultaneously fill the pool full of water at the same time as backfilling around the pool is to provide equal pressure and stability on both sides of the pool walls. And so as the weight and the pressure of the water is going into the pool, that backfill material is able to settle accordingly, and the installation crew can make sure that the pool stays level. But a lot of people want to know, just how do we get the water into the pool? Do we have to bring in a truck full of water? Well, you could, but it's not necessary. Most every time, the pool is actually just filled using the homeowner's garden hose. But how much is that going to cost, considering that a pool obviously has a lot of water in it? So your smaller pools are typically going to be somewhere between maybe 6 to 8 or 9,000 gallons. And your medium pools will be somewhere in the range of, say, 10 to 13 gallons. And then your large pools, somewhere maybe 12 to 15,000 gallons. And there's no denying, that's a lot of water. But it's not going to cost you as much as you think. So here in Texas, the average cost per gallon is typically somewhere between about $6 to $10. So for a medium pool, you'd probably only be looking at somewhere around $100 to $150 to fill the entire pool up. Not that bad, right? And it is just a one-time fill. And again, we've talked about all of the reasons you don't want to drain your fiberglass pool, so you're very seldomly going to have to refill it. And it's not tied directly into your water source, so there's not really any ongoing cost of keeping the pool full. Every now and then, you may have to add just a little bit of water to keep the pool water at the optimal level, which is really about halfway up your skimmer. Anything less than that and your pump could possibly lose prime. And if it's too full, then you may not have proper circulation. So filling the pool full of water or occasionally adding water to the pool is definitely not something that's going to incur a lot of cost. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, go ahead and like it and share it out with anyone you feel may benefit from it. If you have any questions, you can always reach out. Just call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming. And of course, if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I'll see you guys soon.